Engine assembly. Engine right side. Install the kick spindle assembly and hook the kick return spring in the crankcase hole. Install the thrust washer. Apply moly oil to the kickstarter idler gear bush inner surface. Moly oil is a mixture of molybdenum disulfide grease and engine oil in a ratio of 1:1. Install the bush. Install kickstarter idler gear. Install the idler gear with the dished side facing upwards. Install the thrust washer and circlip. Install the circlip with the flat end facing upwards. Install the gear shift drum pins as shown. Install the gear shift drum stopper plate. Apply thread locking agent TB1322 on the bolt and tighten to the specified torque. The stopper plate bolt torque value is 1.2 kg-meter. Install the thrust washer on the gear shift spindle. Apply multi-purpose grease on the gear shift spindle serrations. Install the spindle in the crankcase and check for proper seating. Install dowel pins. Install the oil pump. Install the crankshaft collar with dished side facing upwards. Install the woodruff key by aligning the crankshaft collar with the keyway in the crankshaft. Install the primary drive gear. Measure the OD of main shaft at clutch outer guide seating area. Before installing the clutch outer guide, measure the inner and outer diameter. Apply moly oil to the clutch outer guide and install on the main shaft. Moly oil is a mixture of molybdenum disulfide grease and engine oil in a ratio of 1:1. Inspect the clutch outer slots for any nicks, cuts or indentation. And check primary driven gear teeth for wear or damage. Measure the clutch outer ID. Apply moly oil to the clutch outer and install. Install thrust washer. Inspect the clutch center grooves. Check for damage or wear. Measure the thickness of clutch disc A and B. Check the warpage of clutch plates. Always soak the disc clutch friction in oil before installation. Now install the clutch disc A first on the clutch center, followed by the clutch plates and clutch disc B alternately. Finally, install disc clutch A and install the pressure plate by aligning the punch marks on pressure plate and clutch center. Install the clutch plate assembly in the clutch outer as shown. Ensure the topmost clutch disc seats in the smaller slots. Install the washer. Apply engine oil to the clutch flange nut threaded area and tighten it to the specified torque by holding the pressure plate with clutch center holder. The clutch flange nut torque value is 7.4 kg-meter. Measure the clutch spring free length and install them. Inspect the lifter plate bearing as shown. Install the lifter plate and bolts. Finally, lock the motion between the gear primary drive and driven using the GPD holder and tighten the bolts in a crisscross pattern in 3 to 4 steps.